Hey everyone, this is Vishal from SigNoz. So today we will be learning on how we can monitor an external API with SigNoz and create an alert based on the latency of the external API. So going into the alerts section. So here what we need to ensure is that we should have a notification channel created before you create an alert. So just go to settings and alert channels and make sure there is an alert notification channel already created. If not, you can click on new alert channel and then create an alert channel of type Slack, email or webhook, however you want to. Now coming back to alerts, and let's create a new alert. So since we want to monitor an external API, we would need to use traces data for that. As a first step, we would have to filter out the external HTTP URL which we want to monitor. So let's say run mocky.io, and since we want to monitor the latency, we need to select aggregate attribute as duration of the span or duration nano, and then we have to calculate P90 value for this, and let's say we can stage and run this query. If you see these are very large values because this is nano, so we have to select y-axis unit in nanoseconds, and here we go. So we have a latency varying from 500 milliseconds to 1 second most of the time. The metric is ready, chart is ready. So now we have to move to define the alert conditions. So the alert conditions are send a notification when query A, which is the metric, is above the threshold all the times during last 5 minutes, and we can define threshold as second, as 1 second, and we can also specify the evaluation period. So 1 minute is fine. We can also specify if you want to send a notification when data is missing for, let's say, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Let's say we define 5 minutes. So it means that, let's say, the application is not sending data for 5 minutes, it is likely that the services went down. So we can, it's optional, we can specify it, but if, let's say, the service goes down, then this alert will be triggered as well, which might not be relevant for this, but yeah, we can keep it, or it depends on the use cases. So we can name the alert name as, like, let's say, Mocky API latency monitoring, and we have to select a notification channel, and we can test the notification and then create the notification.